Question number 131. A plant cell placed in 0.7 molar sugar solution was found with no change in cell volume. If the same plant cell is placed in 0.7 molar of NaCl solution, then there will be first option, no change in cell volume. Second, increase in cell volume. Third, decrease in cell volume. Fourth, initial increase and eventually decrease in cell volume. It is very interesting question. See here, if you place a plant cell in 0.7 molar sugar solution, there will be no change. It means the sugar solution is isotonic to the solution of the cell. But if you put the same cell in the 0.7 molar of NaCl solution, then there will be a change or no change. This is the question for you. See here, sugar solution is a non-electrolyte, but NaCl solution is an electrolyte. It will break down into Na ions, sodium ions and chloride ions. So, the molar concentration will become 0.14. So, for this cell which is put in sugar solution, the concentration of the solution is 0.7 molar, and for the cell it is also 0.7 molar. So, both the solutions are isotonic. If you put in the salt or NaCl solution, the cell still has 0.7 molar concentration, but the outer solution has 0.14 molar concentration. So, first case, which is I am writing as A, and then the second case which I am writing as B. So, in the first case, both the solutions are in isotonic condition, there will be no change, but in the later condition, the solution is hypertonic now. Hence, water will move from cell to the solution and it will plasmolize. So, the cell volume will decrease. So, the correct option for the given question is option number 3. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 132. When the relative humidity is high, the rate of transpiration, first option increases, second decreases, third remains unchanged, fourth will be maximum. When the relative humidity is high means when the humidity is high in the atmosphere, definitely the plant will lose less water. So the rate of transpiration decreases. So the correct option for the given question is option number 2. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 133. Arrange the following events of opening of stomata in the correct sequence. Statement A. Increased potassium ions and malate ion form potassium malate. B. Starch in the guard cell incompletely oxidized into phosphoenol pyruvate. C. Potassium ions are absorbed into the guard cells. D. H+ from guard cells are transported to the epidermal cells. So what will be the correct sequence? In this particular question, you have given some events. Arrange them one by one. So first of all, the starch in the guard cells is incompletely oxidized into PEP, phosphoenol pyruvate. So this should be first event during the opening of stomata. Second should be the H+ from the guard cells are transported to the epidermal cells or the subsidiary cells. So this should be the second one. K+ ions are absorbed into the guard cells. So this should be the third event. And the last is increased potassium and malate ion form the potassium malate. So this should be the fourth. So first should be the B. So this option is ruled out. Second should be the D. So all the options are ruled out except the third one. And third is C and the fourth is A. So the correct option for the given question is option number 3. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 134. How many of the following mentioned are chief sinks for mineral elements? Apical meristems, developing fruits and seeds, mature leaves, developing flowers, lateral meristems and wood. Option 1 4, second 6, third 5, fourth 3. The chief sinks for the mineral elements are the growing parts of a plant, such as apical meristems, developing fruits and seeds, developing flowers and the lateral meristems. Because they are growing, they need mineral elements, hence they are the chief sinks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the correct option for the given question is option number 3. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 135. Select the incorrect difference between transpiration and guttation. First, occurs during day, occurs during early morning and night. Second, occurs through the leaves and young stems, occurs at the tips of the leaves. Third, loses pure water as water vapor, loses water drops along with organic acid and inorganic substances. Fourth, creates positive pressure in xylem vessels, is due to negative root pressure. Transpiration occurs during daytime. Yes, it is true. And guttation occurs during early morning and night. It is also correct. Second, transpiration occurs through the leaves and young stems. Yes. Guttation occurs at the tip of the leaves called the hydrothoids. So this is also correct. Transpiration loses pure water as water vapor. Yes, transpiration loses water in the form of water vapors, but guttation loses waters along with the organic acids and inorganic substances. This is also correct. Fourth, creates positive pressure in the xylem vessels. Transpiration causes negative pressure in the xylem vessels, whereas guttation is due to positive root pressure. So this is the incorrect difference. So the correct option for the given question is option number 4. I hope you have understood all the questions very well and you have achieved clarity in all the questions. All the best for your next AITS. Till then, thank you. Bye-bye.